Today I am talking about 20 things you don't know your Google Chromecast could do. After 11 years of streaming success, Google Chromecast has been cancelled. The company announced that it's discontinuing the device, which is now only available while supplies last, and has replaced it with the Google TV streamer. If you have snatched a Chromecast on sale or are using one you have had for a while, you know how simple it is to operate. Just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and you will be watching show and movies in no time. But there are few tips and tricks can make casting more magical. Check them out below. 1. Get a bird eye view Nest doorbell. If you have a Google Nest Cam and Nest doorbell, you can live stream from those devices to your TV. With the Chromecast, just use the Chromecast voice remote to ask which device you want to show on your TV. For example, say, show me the front door camera. You can also use a Nest speaker or display for a big screen view by saying something like, hey Google, show me the front door camera on my TV. 2. Personal. Get personal. You share a lot with the people you love, but maybe not you taste in movies and shows. Everyone in your household can keep their watch list and more important, their recommendation separate with Google, with Google TV on your Chromecast. Go to the Google TV home screen and select your profile. Select add account. Sign into the Google account you want to add. Answer the profile set question, then select the streaming services you want to associate with the profile. 3. Making things family friendly. Parents with the Chromecast with Google TV can set up separate profile of their kids. Say no one has to worry about unsupervised screen time. Parents can specify which app their kids can access, include YouTube Kids, select them, and even manage screen time. When it is almost time to turn off the TV, you kids will be greeted with 3 countdown warning sign before a final time its up screen appears and end their watch time. 4. Ask Google Assist to pull up your favorite instead of scrolling through menu to get your watch list. Just press the Google Assistant button on set of the remote and say, show me my watch list. You can also use it to ask Google Virtual Assistant to open Sport app. If you have an older Chromecast without a remote, but you do have a Google Smart Home device such as the Nest display, connect them and make required such as OK Google, play Emily in Paris on Netflix. Other compatible services include Dynasty, Hulu, Paramount, and YouTube TV. 5. Where's the remote? It doesn't matter. Give that the Chromecast plug in a port on your TV. You will need a switch the input on your TV. Go to between the cable box and Chromecast and whatever else you have in your home entertainment setup. If your TV supports HDMI CEC through, your TV can make the leaps as soon as you hit the cast button from the Sport app. No old school remote needed. Some TV makers might call it by a different name. Google lists a rundown here. But if you TV Sport it, go to the TV settings, select the HDMI CEC option and enable it. Note that your Chromecast must be using wall outlet for power and not plugged into the USB port on the TV. 6. Phone it in. Phone it in. If you lose a Chromecast remote in the couch cushions, you can still navigate on your screen with Google TV app on iOS. Turn on the TV, open the app and select TV remote on the bottom right. Select your device and enter the code show on your TV screen. Tap pair on Android, add the virtual remote to your quickly setting. 7. Mirror your Android device on TV. If you want your Android screen to appear on the TV for the work entertainment, screencasting is spotty on device running Android 8.0 and above. Sorry iPhone user, your mileage may vary depending on which phone you have. The screenshot above is from a OnePlus 5T. Open the Google Home app, tap your Chromecast device and tap Cast My Screen on the bottom and then Cast Screen, tap Stop Mirroring when you are done. 8. Bring Apple TV and Google TV together. Maybe there are a huge rivalry between App and Google, but you won't have to get involved the conflict when you have a Chromecast with Google TV. The Apple TV app with include Apple TV is available is app selected section of your home screen. It's the it's the kind of friendly corporate you'll find on that Lesco. 9. Cast music to your TV. If you have impressive sound system hooked up to your TV, why not use it to listen to your favorite tunes? A variety of music streaming services can cast music to the Chromecast, including Spotify, Pandora, and Amazon Music. Make sure your device is on the same Wi-Fi network as your Chromecast. Look for either the Moro device button on Chromecast icon and select your Chromecast from the list that pops up. Disconnect from your music app via the Google Home app. 10. Cast Google Photo to the TV. Chromecast can serve a modern day alternative to old school slideshow. Look for the cast icon on the top of Google Photo app and tap to connect. 11. Add photo to Chromecast background. Switch up your Chromecast background with the ambient mode. You can use your own photos or choose from Google selection of art, landscape, photography and satellite image. In the Google Home app, tap to your Chromecast. Tap the gear icon and select ambient mode. Here you can choose to your Chromecast display image from Google Photos or gallery of Google curate image and artwork. Tap experiment for low bandwidth mode. You can also add the weather and time to display and set how fast Chromecast cycle through each photos. 12. Make your meeting bigger. We hate to bring up the topic of video meetings, but if you are tired of start at them on a small screen, you can make them more like entertaining by bringing them to your TV. You can cast Google Meeting while still using your computer of its camera, microphones and audio. Download the meeting app. You open your meeting using Google Calendar you or the meeting apps and select cast the meeting. You will be able to choose the cast device you want to use in the cast tab. To stop casting, select the three dots menu and click stop casting menu. 13. Cast Google Slides to your TV. When you use Google Slides, you can show your presentation with the Chromecast. Since Google Cast it is built into Chrome. Click the present option on the top right of the presentation selection, present or an other screen and pick the Chromecast device. 14. Chromecast guest mode. Whenever you have house guest for a week, a party guest for an evening, you might want to let them decide what to watch without giving them access to your Wi-Fi. An older model Chromecast turned to the guest mode. Guest is not available on the Chromecast with Google TV. Open the Google Home app, select your Chromecast, tap setting, count and on the top right selection, recording and sharing. Guest mode and tap it to toggle on. When the guest want cast something, they can tap cast icon in a supported app, select nearby device and enter the 4 digits pin that appear on the TV or that you provide to them. 15. Banish spoofing with a Ethernet adapter. The adapter looks like the extension Chromecast power cord, but the plug end includes as small Ethernet port. Connect and Ethernet cables that also connect to your modem to that port. Plug the USB end of the adapter into the Chromecast. Attach the Chromecast to the HDMI port onto your computer and TV, and you are ready to go. 16. Listen on your headphones. When you want to watch something on TV but don't want to sound to disturb others, the Chromecast with Google TV includes Bluetooth supported and which you can access in the remote and accessories section of the Google TV home screen. For order Google Chromecast device, try local cast for Chromecast. It lets you cast video to your televisions while keeping audio on your device. Tap route audio to phone on the now playing screen and the plug in some headphone. 17. Create a YouTube TV quiz. The only annoying things about watching YouTube via Chromecast is that you have to pick up and put down your device every time you want to watch another video. Do you open the YouTube app, tap the cast button, select your Chromecast device and